Hello everybody, these are my new Sun Conures. I've had them a couple of weeks now, so they're still getting used to being in the house. This right here is Binky. She is a little bit bitey, we'll say. Like, she doesn't really like to come out much. She loves treats though. She loves her hand fed treats. She'll take them from you, but she doesn't like to come out much. And this is Bonbon, and he's a sweet guy, and he does like to come out. He likes to come out, sit on your shoulder, hang out with you. But we'll see. Step up, step up, come here. Step up. No, not today. He's gonna hide. That's okay. That's okay. We give him a chance to warm up. We don't force interaction with them. So once they are more comfortable, they will come out on their own. They are 4 years old. Hi. They're getting used to their new home. They were actually a teenager's birds, and he had gotten them when he was young, and of course he just kind of outgrew them. So his parents were wanting to get rid of them, so we took them. They are super sweet, and they're a bonded pair. I mean, they love each other. So we are going to have some new adventures with Bonbon and Binky, and we'll kind of see how it goes. So join me, follow me through the process of getting to know these beautiful birds. And let's see if we can get them to trust us. Have a great day.